If I'm being honest, I have 7 days to get everything together and I do not have everything together. No, I do not. Literally just went to Walmart, of all places. I have like a bunch of stuff just here on the floor. Tell me why it took forever just to get stuff. Everyone, day 6, or not day 6, well, 6 days left. Today we're heading into the city to do a little bit of shopping and basically get some stuff together. We're trying to get some ingredients for some food that we can't really get like locally, so we have to go into the city to go get all that. So basically that's the whole spiel, everything going on for today. This building is too tall.
Come back this way, you line up.
So it's Sunday evening and 5 days left essentially, and earlier today we went to IKEA and everything, so I was able to get a couple more items that I really needed for my apartment and everything. Kitchen situation, bathroom situation. Was looking for bath mats, but we couldn't find it at that IKEA, so now we need to go to a different IKEA location. Hopefully I can find some bath mats because I'm the one responsible for bringing some bath mats for me and one of my roommates' shared bathroom. So there's like a ton of things just over here. It really is such a mess. Like, it is such a mess. Such a mess right now. But yeah, anyways, good night, guys. Back from IKEA, and yeah, it went pretty well. I got a salad spinner, finally got a bath mat. Oh my gosh, we finally got the bath mat. I wanted to get the one that was teal / aqua green, and on the website it looked like it was a nice teal color, which would have matched like the hand towels and the curtains that we're getting for the bathroom and everything. And turns out that I got to the store and they were lying. It was blue. Back to the basement. Like, guys, why is it a mess? Why is it a mess? It's such a mess right now, which is exactly why I am gonna be doing a little bit of organization for, like, I have to do a little bit of rearranging here because I can't take it to school all like this. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday. That means we have 3 days left. Today's plan is primarily just more reorganization, packing, primarily bringing things together. I feel like this week has been going by very quickly, but also very slowly at the same time. I really don't know what to feel about that. I do have quite a bit of things planned for today, but the first thing is primarily going out to do some grocery shopping so that I can stock the kitchen once we are moved in on Friday. Time to sort all of this stuff out. This is so much stuff, but I do have a couple of hours, so we're gonna try to get done what I can get done. This is a lot. See how much I can fit into just these 2 bags alone. I'm gonna try to do maybe 3 main piles, primarily pile of things that are personal items, pile of bathroom items, pile of kitchen related items, probably one more pile of things that I genuinely am not going to take with me or that I'm gonna return to the stores in the next 1 to 2 days. Those blue bags are just so helpful, considering the fact that they're super sturdy and they're pretty cheap / like affordable, and we got them off of Amazon. I'll see if I can find a link to it and put it down below if you guys are interested in getting those. Highly recommend using them for move-in day and everything. It's pretty late at night now. It's like 10, 11, 12 a.m. But for the most part, I have finished the vast majority of packing my clothing items into this suitcase, and this little stack of drawers. As for the bonnet situation going on, that's just because I had to wash my hair earlier today and take a break from packing and everything to take care of my hair, because tomorrow is a very special day because I will be getting my hair braided for heading back to college. Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday. 2 days left on the calendar till move-in day. Today I am getting my hair braided, so that's probably the biggest thing going on for today. It's about 8 a.m. right now. My appointment's at,
Do you know you have
in 30 minutes. I'm currently in my driveway right now, but yeah, let's go get this hair braided.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. My neck literally felt so heavy during the final like half an hour of my braiding session. That's just because before with my natural hair, everything felt really light, but now that I have braids in, of course it feels heavier with the extensions and everything, but so far so good. I love it. I love it. I just love it so much. Okay, but what was the need for this much barbecue sauce? Never mind, I think that it's a good thing that they gave me like 5 of these barbecue sauce containers, because I underestimated how much I'd actually need. Alright, so I just finished doing a bit of necessary cleaning because there was still a little bit of gunk on the floor from when I was clearing out my bins and my suitcase and then adding all of my clothing to that last night. I still need to finish up with my clothing items and everything, but that's something that I'll be finishing between tonight and tomorrow. In the meantime, I'm gonna take a break from that and head back down to the basement because currently everything is still in piles from yesterday because I got too stressed out, and now is the time to finally wrap it all up and put it back together inside of the blue bags that I have in the basement. If I can get enough things done today, then hopefully tomorrow will consist primarily of just doing my laundry, running just a few little errands here and there, and in general relaxing and soaking in my last full day at home. This boy decided to leave his laptop at home. Now I am responsible for driving there just to drop off his laptop because it's the first day of school for him and he left it. I'm sorry, what? Finally dropped it off. I just don't know. How do you leave your whole laptop on the first day of school? Like, it doesn't make any sense to me personally. So less than 24 hours on the clock. And honestly, this is so wild to me that like literally by tomorrow, I'm either going to be on campus or on my way to campus. I'm very excited, though I am still a little stressed out right now about packing things. I need to get some fresh produce, cook a little bit of food for the house before I leave, clean up in like the bathroom and stuff like that, pack my personal items, and also do the laundry before I leave as well. There's quite a bit of stuff to be doing right now. I am just teeny tiny bit stressed, you know. Fortunately, I was able to take a nice walk right after dropping off my brother's laptop. I hope to calm my nerves a little bit. I've been going on these like morning walks for the past month or so this summer, and it's been really nice, a really good way to start your day. Alright, so this is what the setup is looking like. It looks like a lot of stuff, but the hope is that everything's gonna fit. It looks like a ton of stuff, but honestly, some of these items can definitely be moved to the front part of the car. The rest of it is probably gonna be stuff that stays in the back. You guys, I am stressing about whether this stuff is actually going to fit because it's so much stuff. I'm actually stressing about this, so tonight's the night we find out if it's gonna fit in the car or not. Everything was able to fit, which is amazing. Thank God for that. And honestly, after such a busy week, I am still pretty excited to head back to campus and get started with another season of academics and working on being a better version of myself every day. That basically concludes this week's vlog. My move-in vlog should be up in a couple of days, so stay tuned for that. Stick around, and if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out. So I'll see you guys then.